Hello, welcome to Chrispin's pen spinning tutorial session. Today I'm going to teach you how to spin a pen around your thumb. I used to call this skill tick-tock, like a clock. This is really easy and basic skill you can learn in a very short time. I will teach you this skill step by step so you can perform this at the end of the video. Step 1. So hold a pen just like this, like you're in the middle of writing something. I know some of you hold a pen different than me, but well, I hold a pen just like this, using middle finger, index finger, thumb. Oh, by the way, many of you might already know a special pen just made for spinning, and many of other people use those pens for spinning. However, for today's video, I'll start off with the random pen so you don't have to worry about fancy or special pen for now. Yup, this is a first generation Apple Pencil. And since it is pretty heavy and balanced, I picked this. Okay, step 2. We're gonna do this. Hold it like this and practice flicking a pen with your index finger so you can spin around your thumb. Just like this. One more time. Flick pen with your index finger so you slowly go around your thumb. Like this. Flick it. Go like this. One more time. Okay. Flick it like this. It's important that you hold the pen maybe 1/3 of the front part like this. So you can just flick it and the balance goes all the way to around your thumb like this. Just like this. So keep flicking it so it spins around your thumb, and you can hold it like this with your ring finger, middle finger, and thumb like this. One more time. Like this. Step 3. So when you are comfortable with flicking a pen with index finger around your thumb and could catch it with ring finger, middle finger, and thumb, try to push a pen back with your middle finger. If you're comfortable with this, try to push it back with your middle finger. Like this. One more time. Like this. So this step will be much easier than step 2. And you can catch a pen with finger from step 1. So practice as much as possible so you can repeat this step smoothly and repeatedly. Just like too easy, right? So now you master tick-tock skill for pen spinning. Next time, I'll come back with another skill. If you have any question, please leave it on comment. If you want to keep watching and get noticed for new skills, please press subscribe. And also don't forget to press like button if this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys from next lesson.